So you may have a pipeline that generates a report about a group of products that sold last month, but the product IDs are changing month on month, and you don't want the information about the products that didn't sell. So here's where you might use variables. And in this particular instance, you could have a non-technical member of the team or even a customer change these variables ahead of each report using something like Google Sheets. And we're going to show you how to do this now. So here we're just going to add some test data. Load that into a table. Next, we can create a Google Sheet which may hold the variables. So it could be product IDs. In this case, we're just going to use months. Load that data set in. And then using our no-code SQL tools, create some transformation which pivots around the identifier in that variable table. There we go. We've now filtered by those variables. You can then go and add or remove more variables to the sheet, and then they'll be pulled through in the pipeline as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching.